Assalamualaikum and a lovely morning to all of you again. And we're again in front of each other, Alhamdulillah, in the next class. So right now we are in a numeracy class. And in numeracy class, even like we are doing lots and lots of activities where we are developing our, even like somewhere we're developing our observation skills, somewhere we're developing our mental math, somewhere we're developing our measurement skills, or maybe our mathematical skills, all that, because maths is in our lives everywhere, whether we are walking, whether we're eating, we are like, if we are driving, if we are riding the bicycle, even if you're cooking, maths is everywhere. Somewhere we have to measure, somewhere we have to see how sharp we have to turn, and how near we have to go to the other vehicle or the cycle or the car which we are driving, how we are walking. So if that gets imbalanced, we fall down. So maths is everywhere in our lives. So it's very fun to learn maths. I hope you enjoy your maths lectures, because all the teachers, we're all working very hard for you, and we want you to learn in a fun manner, interactive way, so that you can retain even all those things in your mind. And what we're asking for you, I remind you again and again that I ask you for a very, very, very small favor. And what is that? That is, you have to subscribe the channel. Yes, you have to subscribe the channel, and you have to give the videos thumbs up, because I know you like them. So you have to give them a thumbs up, and then you have to share it with your friends, right? So this is the small favor which we are asking for you. And these videos are anytime like free. You can watch them anywhere, anytime, and you can enjoy learning with us. So we are going to start a lecture, and this is our numeracy class right now, and we are going to learn. We have learned that already. We have done all the exercises as well. We are going to do a little more exercises about the odd one out. Yay! So I like that one, because even elders, they love to play the games to search for the odd one out, and they're a little difficult, but we are even doing that as well, right? So I am going to share my screen with you, in which we will be seeing the odd one out, right? So this is our first picture. So I wanted to just have a look at this. Okay, so we'll be looking at the first one. Right now, what you can see in the first row, yeah, you can see a starfish. Yeah, you can see a dolphin. Okay, good. Then you can see an octopus. Yay! And then at the end, what do you see? Yeah, that's a chameleon. Yeah. Okay. Now have a look at this. All these four creatures, all these four animals. What do you see the difference in them? Do you see the difference in them? How are they different? Which one is the odd one out? Yeah, think. Okay, now you're going to tell me, where does the starfish live? In the sea. Okay, now what about the dolphin? Yes, in the sea. And what about the octopus? Yeah, in the sea. What about the last one, the chameleon? Yeah, that lives in the forest. Yay. So chameleon is the odd one out, right? Yeah, that's great. So look at the next picture. We have got brinjal, we have got beetroot, we have got strawberry, and we have got a carrot. Yeah, they're all very healthy. So in that way, there's no one is odd, but yes, we have to look for the odd one. So which one is the different one? Yes. Brinjal is a, yeah, that's a vegetable. Beetroot is also a vegetable. Strawberry is not a vegetable. Yeah, that's a fruit. And what about carrot? Yeah, carrot is also a vegetable. That's great, 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 good. So which one is the odd one out? Yeah, that's the strawberry. Yeah, that is great, great, great. Okay. So we are here with the different pictures. Now, looking at the top of the pictures, the top row says there's a chair, then there's a book, then there's a stool, a small table maybe, and there is another chair. So yeah, that is something which we can find in school. Yeah, but how like we can see that which one is the odd one out? Okay, yeah. Now the chair is a piece of furniture. Yeah, the book is not a piece of furniture. The stool or the small table is also a piece of furniture. And the chair is also, another chair is also the piece of furniture, right? So the only the book is not furniture. Rest of them, they're all the piece of furniture. So the book is odd one out. Yes, very good. Okay. Now look at these animals. Oh wow, we have a hippo, we have a lion, we have yeah, this looks like an ostrich. It's not a flamingo. It's big, but it's not a flamingo. This is an ostrich. And then we have got a deer or maybe an antelope. Okay, so we've got animals. They're all, most of them are four legs. Yeah, there's only one with two legs. Yeah, that's the difference. And what else? What else do you think? Yay, the ostrich is a bird. Very good, very nice. Very well done. Yeah, the hippo, the lion, and the deer or the antelope, they are all four-legged. They are animals. And the ostrich, it has got two legs and it is a bird. So the ostrich is the odd one out. That's great. Okay. Oh, the last one. That's a colorful picture. We've got a bee, a fly. Yeah, that's a fly, not a bee. Okay, then we have a frog, and then we have a dragonfly and a butterfly. Wow. So, what do you think? Which one is the odd one out? Yeah. What do you think? What about the butterfly and the dragonfly and the housefly, maybe, or moth? Yeah, they're all insects. And what about the frog? Is the frog an insect? No, frog is not an insect. That's an animal, amphibian animal, right? So which one is the odd one out? Yeah, that is the frog. The frog is the odd one out over here. That is great. Wow. You know that because you've learned about amphibians, you've learned about insects, you've learned about different kind of animals. That's great. That is super great. So now I'm going to show you another picture and we will see the odd ones out over there, right? Okay, let me share you the different picture. Okay, so I have another picture over here. Oh wow, look at the first row. We've got the pumpkins. They're all of the same color, they're all of the same shape and the size. Yeah, but what is the difference in them? Yeah, yeah. The second one has the cutout face on that. Somebody has cut that out for the Halloween. Yeah, the second one has the face impression on that. And that is why this is the odd one out because that is the different one, right? Yeah, that's great. Okay, now look at the leaves. We've got leaves of all almost the same shape and almost the same size. But one of the leaf is from the autumn season. One of the leaf is dried. And the first three are from the spring. They are blooming, they are green. So the three of them are from the spring and the last one is from the autumn. That's great. So the last one, the yellow one, is the odd one out. Okay, that's great. Oh, lovely. We have three traps. Oh my God. See, the water is running through the taps. Somebody is wasting water. Not very good. So the odd one out is the good one, which is not wasting the water, right? And which one is that? The first one? Okay, now the second one or the third one? Yeah, that's the third one. That's great. So the third one is not wasting the water. So that is the good one. The odd, not the odd one, the good one out. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so look at the buckets down. Yeah, look at the buckets. Very easy. Very easy for you to see. Yeah, there are three trash bins which are empty, and there's one which has trash in it. So the one which has got trash in it is the odd one out, right? Okay, that's great. Oh wow, look at the faces. Oh my God. Yeah, you can easily find the odd one out because there are three of them who are smiling and one of them is not in a good mood. Yeah. Yes, the third one. Very right. Very right. So the third one is angry. My God, he is angry. So the third one, the angry one is the odd one out. Okay, that's great. That's great. So you did a wonderful job. Now we are going to practice a little more on a book. So let's see how you're going to do that. You are going to take out your Maths Wise book 3. Yeah, Maths Wise book 3 and take out page number 9 over there. Okay. Yeah, page number 9. So this is very easy for you now because you have done it already. So this is very easy. So now just have a look at this page. This is page number 9. This says the odd one out. So you have to cross the odd one out, right? That is very easy. Now, if you look at the first one, we've got the shapes. We've got the triangle, we've got triangle, we've got triangle, and we've got the circle. Now, yeah, very easy for you to see which is the different one, which is the odd one. And that is the, yeah, the purple circle. Because all the triangles are yellow, though they are like placed in differently, but this is purple and this is round, this is circle, so this is the odd one out. So we had to put a cross over here, right? So just pick up the pencil and put a cross over here like this. I hope you can see that. I'm just going to put a cross so you can see that like this, okay? Yeah, you're going to put a cross over here like this, okay? Right, that's great. Okay, now look at the second row. The second row have like, there's a bird and a bird and a bird and a, oh, and a cat. Cat might eat bird, yeah? So there are 3 birds and there's a cat. So which one is the odd one? Yeah, the cat is the odd one out. That's great. So you're going to put a cross here on the cat, right? Okay. Now we have, there's a fish and there is a snail and there is a fish and there is a fish. Very easy. Yeah, this is easy for you now, right? So yeah, snail is the odd one out. So you're going to put a cross on it, right? That's good. Very good. Very nice. Okay, then. Oh, wow. We have something green. There's a green leaf. There's a green leaf. Oh, there's a green pear and a green leaf. So which one is the different one? Yay, this is the different one. So we're going to put a cross over here, right? Okay, now what about this? Yellow square. Oh, that's an oval, and then square, and then square, right? This is very easy for you to see. Yeah, this is the odd one out, right? So just put a cross over here. Very nice. So because you have done a little difficult exercise, so this will be very easy for you. Okay, that's correct. You've done it? Okay, now we are going to do the next one. To turn the page, we are on page number 10. Yeah, take up page number 10. Now look at the first row. There's a table and a cat in all the pictures, right? But there's a little difference in the picture. There's a cat on the table, cat on the table, cat on the table. But here, cat is under the table, right? So we have to cross the odd one out. So you have to put a cross over here. Yay, that is great. On the table, under the table, on the table, on the table, right? Yeah, lovely. Okay, now what do we have? Oh, wow, we have 3 loaves of bread. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 loaves of bread, and then what we have over here? My favorite. It's a coconut. Yay. So obviously the coconut is different, right? The coconut is on the odd one out, so we're going to put a cross over here, right? That's great. Okay. So now this third row, we're going to check. We've got chairs in there. Chair, 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 and what is this? Feather. Yay. So which one is the odd one out? Obviously the feather, because this looks different. It has got different color, different texture. Everything is different, right? So this is not the piece of furniture over here. Okay, that's great. So you're going to put a cross over here. Yay, lovely. Okay, now we have got 4 bowls. All same shape, same size, same color. But how are they different? How is one of them different? Full, 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 empty. Yes, this is empty. So this is the odd one out. So we're going to put cross over here, right? Okay, that is great. So this was our today's exercise of the on and out. And I hope you have enjoyed that, because these are very nice exercises to look for what is the different thing from there. So we will be doing a little difficult exercise next time. I hope you have enjoyed it. So this was our numeracy class, and we did odd one out. I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah. And till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay. So see you soon, inshallah. Till then, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.